Chapter 11 Mawlynnong Village, the cleanest village in India. Mawlynnong Village, Meghalaya, in northeast India is the cleanest village in India. It is also known as God's own garden. Mawlynnong was awarded the title of the cleanest village in Asia by Discover India in 2003. Alongside cleanliness, the village has 100% literacy rate. Cleanliness is a way of life in Mawlynnong village. There are bamboo dustbins all over the village. Even the dry leaves fallen from the trees go straight into the dustbin. Plastic bags are banned and smoking is prohibited. The rules are strictly followed. It is interesting to note that Mawlynnong makes its own manure, which is converted from the garbage dug into a pit. People regularly step out of their houses to sweep the roads and planting trees. Mawlynnong is mainly inhabited by Khasi tribe. In this tribe, the children of the family get their mother's surname, and the wealth is passed down from the mother to the youngest daughter of the family. In this way, Mawlynnong proves women empowerment. The weather in Mawlynnong is pleasant throughout the year. The best time to visit Mawlynnong is monsoon. During the rainy season, the village and its surroundings become lush green and picturesque. The living root bridges in Mawlynnong have been included in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites. Hanging on a river, the bridges are made by connecting the aerial roots of one massive rubber tree with another. Sky View is another vantage point of Mawlynnong village. This viewing tower is 85 feet high and is made of bamboo. The village lies on the Indo-Bangladesh border and you can see the landscape of Bangladesh. The silence of a jungle is broken by the gushing sound of Mawlynnong waterfall. This is a perfect place to unwind and to have a lovely picnic with your loved ones. A major landmark of Mawlynnong village, the Church of Epiphany, is a 100-year-old structure that still holds an old-world charm. What about food? The best part about the food you eat in Mawlynnong is that it is prepared using organically grown vegetables. Jaddo and Turangbai are local dishes. Bedanklam in July, Wangalam between September to December, and Nongkrem Dance Festival in October or November are some of the main festivals celebrated in the Mawlynnong village. In Mawlynnong, tourists find nice homestays that allow you to stay close to nature and have a lovely time with the locals. Most homestays are traditionally built huts. The village is well connected to major cities like Shillong and Cherrapunji. Buses can be seen plying between the village and nearby areas like Cherrapunji. The nearest airport for Mawlynnong is located at a distance of 78 km in Shillong. Guwahati is the nearest major railway station from Mawlynnong. Make a visit to this beautiful clean village in your next vacation.